This is Glenn Skinner, out with Christian, who's taking this video right now. I said we'd find silver today. First hole over in this area, I found gold again. No exaggeration. This is an 1853. I have to flip it over to see what kind of gold, what size coin it is. With the necklace, the broken bezel. Oh, where's my glasses? What is that? $2.50. I gotta rinse it off. Okay, gonna rinse it off. It was on a necklace. I got the necklace here, the broken bezel. That's as clean as I'm gonna get it right now. When I get home, I'll take care of it. 1853, $2.50 gold coin. This is no lie. This is the Garrett AT Pro. The Garrett, the Lace, and the Nel Tornado came through again. Here's all the pieces. And just so you know, here's my other digger, Christian. Signing out for now.